It's gonna happen soon. Alright, those are gonna light up later. And also that over there, that's iconic over there, the tree over there. Oh! We saw it happen! What do you think?
I think you have to wait for the sun to go down because it doesn't really look that pretty right now.
Who knew that's gonna look nice? Oh, see? It's nicer now. Very nice. Wow. So not everything is actually lit up. Like this pond is like empty, right? But most other places are lit up nicely. There's some other stuff happening there, but it's not so spectacular anymore. So we're just gonna stay at the highlights. So that one over there is the sunken garden. Gusto mo bang bumaba sa sunken garden? Hindi na. You want to go? She wants to go. So we have about 30 minutes to enjoy the lights with us on the photo thing. It's gonna be nice there under the tree. Yeah. Dito ka. There, oh my gosh. Can you open the map? Let's open the map. We need to go to... Alright, we're done with the sunken garden. Morning Plaza is over here above, so we can go there. That's another highlight. And then we're gonna go to the Love Tunnel. That's there are actually four highlights, but we're probably just gonna go to like 3. There's a Love Tunnel and there's a Happy Tunnel. I wonder what the Happy Tunnel is. Alright. We have like maybe we have 30 more minutes of light, maybe. Sundown is in 20 minutes, so we probably have like 5 to 10 minutes after that. They are actually playing Christmas songs. I'll be home for Christmas. Alright. You wanna go there? No. Love, wanna go there? It's another place. Let's go. We're gonna go there. I said we weren't gonna go there, but we're gonna go. Jack Frost nipping at your toes. Oh, nose. This is a very famous tree. That one. But the lighting isn't so nice anymore. But it's super nice if it's like daytime. Can you sing, please?
Merry Christmas to you. It's not Christmas anymore.
I don't know what's here. You wanna go there pa? Can I go? Walk slowly. Walk slowly. Walk slowly.
Did they have peanuts?
Peanuts? You want peanuts? Are you hungry? We have 15 minutes for the light to go down.
Nagbanyo ako.
Hmm?
Nabili ko dati, nagbanyo ako.
There's a store here. Store.
Now be with me in the banyo.
Oh, it's warm. So if you need mittens, there's mittens here. Oh, and even kumot. What do you call this? 10,001 for that? Wow. Is there food that you like? This one? Hmm?
You ask them.
Your almayo. How much?
2,000. How many do you want?
Only one. Not spicy.
Yes.
Spicy?
No.
Oh.
Here you go.
Ah, mainit
Yeah.
ka.
Oh!
Can you hold it? Hold that one.
감사합니다. This is 2001. Not bad.
Get it.
I'll just throw it.
May trash can.
Mmm. Okay. Nothing special. Alright, so it's already sunset. And we're just gonna show you stuff. If you like this video, just watch more. And if you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to subscribe.
Can you join me?
You want to go to the tunnel or here? Here?
Hala! Hindi ka siyang ganda. Ay, kaya lang.
We go around. We go up there.
Quickly go. Tia!
It's very lamig, yeah. We're making our way back. Oh my gosh, if you fall there, even your foot, you're gonna get cold feet. Cold feet, so funny. Cross the bridge. Wow, look at that. Oh. This is actually nice, but I'm getting dizzy if you stay here for so long. You get a bit dizzy. Oh! Don't look at the balls, these balls. You get dizzy. Pose. Say goodbye already.
That's it for today's vlog. We hope you enjoyed the light show here at the Garden of the Morning Calm. And yeah, we hope to see you again in our next vlog.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Don't forget to subscribe and like this video.